Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. We just got the 7920 hooked up to the KUHN FC 4061 TCD. We are about to head out and cut the first hay of the year. So we just took the 7920 off the planter because we left it on in case we needed to do any kind of replanting. Pretty confident we won't, so we sped unhooked the planter and put it right over onto the mower. So my GoPro met a bittersweet end. It fell off the four-wheeler and the screen's totally busted on it. The front quit working after the first 2 months. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do riskier and riskier things with this GoPro until it's permanently destroyed. The glass is all shattered on the back and it keeps coming out and it gets wedged in my fingers. So at this point I'm ready for it to be just done with. But let's see what kind of things I can use it for. I don't want to put it somewhere where it's going to directly get caught in like a feed mixer or something, or an auger. So I want to be able to keep the camera contained. But maybe I can do some stuff with it that is a little unorthodox. Let's find out. Now I checked the blades from last year and I decided that I wasn't going to change them until I was done doing the pasture. I'll reevaluate them once I'm done here before I move out to the 11 acres, just in case I do need to replace one of them, because there's 1 or 2 in there that are getting kind of iffy. I have spares that I can swap them out pretty quick with, so I'll check them when I'm done with this. I don't want to put new blades in it just to go do the pasture, because they're going to get banged up. I hopped out to have a look at the windrows and it's doing a nice job at laying the rows out pretty evenly. Now there's a pretty good chance that we're gonna be tedding some or all of this, depending on what the weather says. If I can get away with just leaving it before we bale it, that would be best. But I feel like the windrow itself is very even, which is what I want. I want it to be nice and spread out over the width of the windrow so that it dries evenly. What you can have happen is that if you have the wide kit out, it can throw it off in between the windrows better, but it can make it thin in the middle if the material is too thin. And I think I could still get it by flipping that around just for how much material is here. Maybe not right in this spot because this is the road, but in the back, especially since I fertilized this this spring, there's a lot of material here. But we're gonna head around across. I have to be extremely careful because there's a lot of objects out in the pasture that I could hit between rocks and logs and sticks. So I gotta drive slow and be careful with what I'm doing. So I'm not flying the drone at all here. I'll do it up on top if anything. But I can't guarantee that I'm gonna go out into the big pasture yet. I probably should just go do it because I did it last year and I was still satisfied with what I got off it. But let's hop in the tractor and keep going. There you are. Holy crap, he made it. Looking at how dry the first stuff I cut is, I definitely think we could be raking this tomorrow, if not baling it. At least start with the grass. The GoPro lives to see another day. Maybe we'll get him next time. But we're probably going to be baling this relatively soon. I would expect that this will go in probably 2 days or less. So be sure to watch out for that video. That's pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. All how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time. You know, it was a good flood when the water almost went over the bridge. That would not have been good.